Since I couldn't catch any fish, I gotta set my steak out in the sun and try to get it to thaw. There you go. Okay. Get my steak going. I figured I may as well wrap this windscreen around my grill here. Just a matter of how fast you want your steak to cook. Put a couple of more pieces of wood in on top of those hot coals just to get a flame going. Let's take a look at our steak. Keep turning it so it cooks slowly. We have a boil. Get our green beans cooking. Turn my steak.
A few moments later.
My beans are done, and I think my steak is done. And I'm going to go ahead and put this steak on my cold plate because I think my steak's getting overcooked and I want to stop the cooking. Salt. And some pepper. It said mock tenders, or mock tender steak. Now that piece actually looks pretty decent. That's good. Good girl, Maggie. Good girl. It's getting pretty dark, but I'm gonna try to do some cinnamon rolls. We need to get some more hot coals down here on our tray. Put our air bake baking pan in place. There it goes. Let's just go with 2. Let's check our cinnamon rolls. They look like they're doing really good. They look like they need more time though. And let them work. I think our cinnamon rolls are done. Hoo hoo hoo. Cream cheese frosting. Hoo hoo hoo. You can hear the crunch. Mmm. 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 Oh, wow, that is good. Mm. Good morning. It's 7 a.m. I'm going to go see if I can catch a fish this morning. We didn't catch any fish, but I sure tried. I'm not getting any bites at all. It's time to make some coffee. And this morning, I'm gonna do biscuits and gravy. But first, we need to feed Maggie. Looks like we have a boil. Coffee time. Alright, let's go put them in the oven. This fire is perfect. These biscuits are pretty big, so I'm going to put quite a bit of heat back here. Then I'll set our air bake pan into its position. Whew, these biscuits are big. This will be a good challenge for this system. Let those guys work, and I'm just going to use these hot coals to slowly heat up my milk. It'll be perfect. This is roux. There's another little piece of roux. Get some salt and pepper. Looks like it's starting to thicken up. Let's take a look at our biscuits. Ooh, they're looking really good. Ooh, beautiful. Let's just see. Oh yeah, I think those biscuits are done. That gravy has thickened up now. The sausage will cool it down a little bit too. It's a little too hot. This will be a nice hearty breakfast. There we go. Our gravy is ready. Whew, those biscuits are hot. And I think we'll just... Holy smokes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat all this. Let's just break this up a little bit. This is shaping up to be a beautiful breakfast. Wow. That is absolutely fabulous. Here, I'll give you some. Is that hot? This plate is so hot, I have to have a glove. Let's go eat this over by the lake. Maggie, come on, let's go.